Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On 18th of August, more than 46,000 Bitcoins were transferred to the exchanges, and that was, by the way, a highest value of Bitcoin inflow in the last 30 days, and that was also a major cause of a significant sell-off as well. And in today's video, we will watch this, and we will also take a look at the live charts as well to analyze where the price can move next. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared on 31st of July 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that Bitcoin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line moved up here. You can see from this buying zone, it moved up and rallied slightly beyond the sell target zone, again moved down, and then we had a bigger pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern on 11th of June 2023 with my members, and this was also formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal, read the sell target zone, and moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone. And once again, we had a bigger pump, and that was by the way more than 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move on 1st of June 2023 with my members. That was also formed with US dollar pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal and read the sell targets on here, moved slightly down, and then we had a bigger pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now, let me to take you to CryptoQuant to show you the on-chain analysis and on-chain movement of Bitcoin, and we can see that on 17th of August, we had more than 44,000. And then on 18th of August, this value was increased and we had more than 46,370 Bitcoins transferred to the different exchanges. And that was a major, very major cause of a very, very significant sell off. And you can see that the price significantly moved down up to $25,900. And this is very important. You can see that today, this value of Bitcoin inflow is quite decreased. So far, it is almost $12,712. But if it will be increased like we had here and here, then we can expect another sell off. However, so far, so good. Today, it is quite decreased. Even yesterday, it was also quite decreased. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, we need to keep in mind that Bitcoin has already broken out a very major resistance, a downtrend line resistance of a huge falling wedge pattern on this weekly time frame chart. By the way, we are watching a weekly time frame chart. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice rally. And so far, Bitcoin is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. So far, it is not able to form another lower than the previous low, even after this very extreme sell off. And by the way, we have broken down a very significant support of EMA 21. You can see after this rally, we broke it out here. And after the breakout, the price and used this level as a support, this EMA 21. And here we also tested the support once again. And here we had the formation of another falling wedge pattern. And this was, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. Therefore, I'm switching the chart to the daily time frame. And now you can see that after the breakout, we had a target here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price and slightly moved beyond that target, but could not break out this very significant resistance of $31,800. If we switch back to the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that previously this level had been breaking as a resistance here. And now for the past several days, it was breaking as a resistance here as well. By the way, from $28,500 up till here, up till $31,800 is a quite strong resistance zone. You can see previously this level was breaking as a support when the price then entered in this zone. We had a nice rally, we had a nice pump, we had another nice pump, and this was a quite nice rally. And after breaking it down, you can see that the price then got rejected here. Let me just zoom this chart out so it will be more visible for you. You can see we got rejected by this resistance of $31,800 and moved down again. We entered in this resistance zone here in the month of April 2023, but the price then got rejected from this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, We again reached here, but now we are again rejected. But the critical thing over here is that after the recent rejection, we have also broken down this significant support of EMA 21. But at the same time, you can see that the price line is so far not able to form another lower than the previous low. And if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that here price line formed this low here, and so far it is forming higher low than previous low. And this support is, by the way, very important. That is the recent swing low before breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the recent falling wedge pattern. That is at $24,756. And previously, this level has been breaking as a resistance here, and here it was breaking as a support. If the price then breaks it down, then it can form another lower than previous low. But so far, you can see there is a double hidden bullish divergence appeared on this weekly time frame chart as the price line is forming higher low than previous low, and at the same time, stochastic oscillator is forming lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then it is also forming lower than the previous low. So this is a hidden bullish divergence signal that is a signal for the price reversal. Therefore, there is a probability that until or unless this support is not broken down, the price end can start another corrective move to the upside to make another attempt to break out this longest resistance on that starts from $28,500 and goes to $31,800. And we need to keep an eye on this support of $24,756 because if it will be broken down, then the price can form after quite long time, it can form another lower than the previous low, and this double hidden bullish divergence signal will be not valid anymore after breaking down this support because the price line will also form another lower than the previous low with this oscillators as well, and the price line can drop down to the next very major and long-term support of $19,900. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.